Hello students, in this exercise I am explaining you area related to the circles, and the important part is area of sector. Now area of sector is theta upon 360 pi r square. Now what is the meaning of sector? Say this is a circle, and from the center if I take 2 points, then this part will be the sector. Here this will be theta and this is the radius. So the first important formula is area of the sector, the first one. Now the first problem is find the area of the sector with the radius 6 cm. So the value of r is 6 cm and the angle is 60 degree. So when you apply this formula, it is 60 upon 360 pi r square. So it is 6 into 6. Now if you cancel, it is 6 times and this will be 6 times. So it is, if you multiply this part, then the answer is 132 upon 7 centimeter square. You can leave the answer like this or you can divide it also. Better you keep your answer in this form only if it is not divisible completely. So the answer of the first part is this one. Now if you take one more sum here, find the area of the quadrant, the second problem. I am using second problem. The area of the quadrant. So the second important formula is area of quadrant. The formula for area of quadrant is 1 upon 4 pi r square. The reason is, in the quadrant the value of theta is 90 degree. So it is 90 upon 360 pi r square. Here the important part is the radius is not given, the circumference is given. So 2 pi r equals to 22. So it is 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 22 and 22 cancelled. So the value of r is 7 by 2. And now we can apply the formula. So it is 1 upon 4, 22 upon 7, 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. So this 2 11 times and this is 7 times. So answer is 77 upon 8 centimeter square. So in this way we can find the area of the sector, and one of the part of the sector is area of quadrant. Quadrant, in this the angle is 90 degrees. So when you write 90 upon 360, then the answer will be 1 by 4. So area of quadrant is 1 by 4. I am taking the next problem now. Now see the third problem. In the third problem, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Now in the clock, say the length of the minute hand is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Now you see, after 5 minutes, suppose presently the minute hand is at 12. Then it is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. Now after 5 minutes, the minute hand will come at 1 and the area, this angle will be formed and this will be the area. Now what will be the angle made by the minute hand in 5 minutes? The answer will be 30 degree, because if you divide it in 3 parts, 30, 30, 30, total is 90. So here the value of theta is 30, and what is the radius? Radius is 14 centimeter. So now we can find the formula for area of, we can find the area swept by the minute hand. Swept means from here it is moving like this area. So it will be 30 upon 360 pi r square, and the r square will be 14 into 14. So this will be cancelled 12 times and this is 2 times. Again it will be 6 and this will be 3 and this is 11. So the answer is 154 upon 3 centimeter square. So that will be the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So I hope with the help of these 3 problems, now the area of the sector part, I think that is clear. So our next problem I am taking, which is related to the area of the segment part. How to find the area of the segment when the angle is given and the radius is given. Please see the next problem. This is very important. Yes, dear students, if you are attentive and if you understand and if you listen this video and see this video nicely, this particular problem is the complete solution of exercise 12.2. The first part is the length of the arc. It is written here that in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center. So actually the diagram is that the circle is, the radius is 21 and this arc subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center. The radius is 21. Now the first important part in this is we have to find the length of the arc. Here the first part is length of arc. Which arc? APB. This arc I am talking about. So the answer will be theta. Theta is 60 degree upon 360 2 pi r. So it is 1 upon 6 to 22 upon 7 and the r is 21. Please see this part. So it is 7 threes are and this part will cancel with this 6. So the answer is 22 centimeters. So this is the length of this arc, the first part. The second part is area of the sector. Area of sector, although it is asked in the sum, that's why I am explaining you, but otherwise we have already done lot of sums based on this. So it is 60 upon 360, 22 upon 7, 21 into 21. Please see this part. This is the area of the sector, and if you simplify, this is 6 times 7 3s are and 3 2s are and this 2 11s are. So if you multiply, it is 231 centimeter square. That is the area of the sector. Length of arc we have got, area of sector we have got. Now I am coming to area of segment. Now what is the meaning of the segment and how to find the area of the segment? See in this diagram, if you study, this part is the segment and more clear it is minor segment and the remaining part of the circle is major segment. So if you have to calculate the area of the major segment, you calculate the area of minor segment and then subtract it from area of circle. The same thing you can do for the sector also. If you calculate, this is the sector, minor sector, the smaller one. If you want major sector, subtract this 231 from the area of the circle. Now we are taking this part. So in this, the important concept is that we find the area of this sector, that is theta upon 360 pi r square, that we have already calculated. So area of segment is 231 minus. This angle is 60 degree and these two sides are already equal. So this will also be 60-60. So we can directly apply the formula of root 3 upon 4 a square, that is equilateral triangle. And here the a is, what is the a here? The value of a is 21 square. So the answer is 231 root 3 by 4 into 441. This is only the answer and this will be in centimeter square. So I think this is the complete solution of this particular exercise that we can find. Here there are different methods of finding this area. I have used the formula of the equilateral triangle. Now suppose in the problem the value of root 3 is given, then you can put the value of root 3 and you can get the answer in the points. Otherwise this is the best answer for this particular, because root 3 is irrational number and if you are converting this in decimal form, then also it will not be an accurate answer. It will be approximate answer because root 3 is non-terminating, non-repeating type of decimal. So I think this is the problem by which the full exercise is clear to you, and you can practice more and more sums from this particular part to revise. I already explained you all the problems in the online class, which that is the Zoom class. You take advantage of that also, and please join these classes also.